In this video, let's discuss 7 different side hustles that have the potential to earn you over $5,000 per month. I'm deliberately setting the bar at $5,000 instead of $10,000 or $20,000 because I want to be realistic. Most people seek something they can do on the side with just a few hours each day. If that's what you're looking for, I've got you covered. Instead of spending 3 hours a day scrolling on your phone, imagine using that time to start a side hustle that could bring in thousands of dollars a month. Seems like a fair trade, right? Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. I want to mention that I'll be ranking each one from best to worst, so you know which might be the most suitable for you to start. Let's kick off with the first side hustle, which is copywriting. Essentially, copywriting involves crafting content that persuades someone to purchase a product or service. As a copywriter, you could write blog posts, newsletters, advertisements, and more. Learning this skill is quite accessible. Just watch a few YouTube tutorials and you should be set. For those looking to delve deeper, I recommend reading the book Copywriting Secrets by Jim Edwards. Once you feel confident in your abilities, it's time to start securing work. I suggest advertising your services on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr.com. You'll find plenty of copywriters there, so take a look at their profiles to see how they attract clients. Another approach is to reach out to potential clients directly on platforms like Instagram. Many copywriters have found success by simply messaging business owners. Now, finding clients may be the toughest part, but once you do, hitting that $5,000 per month mark is achievable. However, it's important to note that you may need to work with multiple clients to reach this goal. Copywriting ranks 6th on my scale from 1 to 7. While it's undoubtedly a viable side hustle, there are some drawbacks to consider. The field is somewhat saturated, and as AI technology advances, its impact on the industry remains uncertain. Additionally, there's a limit to how much you can earn since you're restricted by the number of hours you can work in a day. Nonetheless, if you enjoy writing and believe this could be a good fit for you, it's definitely worth exploring. Moreover, if you find success, copywriting could evolve from a side hustle into a full-fledged business. At that point, you might consider forming an LLC, but we'll discuss that further in the video. Side hustle number 2. Social Media Manager. This is an excellent opportunity due to the high demand for it currently. As a social media manager, your responsibilities would include assisting various content creators with daily tasks such as email, correspondence, content scripting, calendar scheduling, and other related duties. Every content creator needs support, making this a promising avenue. To learn more about this field, I suggest watching several YouTube tutorials, which should provide you with a solid foundation. To secure work in this industry, you'll need to reach out to numerous content creators. Crafting a well-written, detailed email outlining how you can assist them is essential. However, be prepared for the fact that you may need to reach out to around 100 content creators before receiving responses from 1 to 5 of them. Persistence is key in this regard. Additionally, you can market your services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Despite its potential, social media management ranks 5th on my scale. While it's in high demand, there's a limit to how much you can earn since you're restricted to working a few hours per day. Nevertheless, if you excel in social media and content creation, this could be an ideal fit for you. Side hustle number 3. Organic dropshipping. Dropshipping involves creating your own custom website with platforms like Shopify and adding products using wholesalers such as AutoDS. When a customer makes a purchase on your store, the wholesaler ships the product directly to them, eliminating the need for inventory management or shipping concerns. The appeal of organic dropshipping lies in its low startup costs, primarily requiring investment in Shopify and possibly the wholesaler. Marketing your products on social media for free is the key to success here, with many dropshippers foregoing paid ads entirely. Finding a product you believe in and are passionate about is crucial for sustained success in dropshipping. While there's no cap on potential earnings, it's essential to approach this hustle with a long-term mindset. Dropshipping ranks third on my scale due to its scalability, but I only recommend pursuing it if you genuinely believe in the product's value and its potential to make a positive impact. Side hustle number 4. Let's explore the opportunity of investing in dividend stocks. Now hear me out. This isn't just an investment. It's also a savvy side hustle that demands minimal time yet offers additional income. Investing in stocks involves purchasing shares of companies like Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, or Tesla. Some stocks provide dividends, granting investors a share of the company's profits. For instance, if you invest $100 in a stock with a 4% dividend yield, you'd earn $4 annually in dividends without any active involvement. Personally, I've invested approximately $100,000 in TD Bank stock, yielding $400 to $500 in passive monthly dividends. As I continue to allocate more funds toward dividend stocks, my passive income from dividends grows annually. If you're considering entering the realm of dividend stock investing, it's prudent to devise a monthly investment plan within your financial means, such as allocating $200 or $100 per month. I've shared a comprehensive tutorial on my YouTube channel detailing how to initiate investments in dividend stocks. On a scale of 1 to 7, I'd rank this as the 4th best side hustle. While it presents a lucrative opportunity accessible to all, significant earnings may require patience. Nevertheless, starting investments in dividend stocks now can reap substantial rewards in the future. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Side hustle number 5, affiliate marketing. This happens to be my favorite side gig as I presently generate a minimum of $20,000 per month from it, which is quite gratifying. Affiliate marketing revolves around promoting a brand's products or services using a unique referral link. You earn a commission for every successful referral made through your link. To kickstart affiliate marketing, begin by selecting a profitable niche, whether it's fashion, fitness, lifestyle, finance, or any other area of interest. Next, scour for high-paying affiliate programs within your chosen niche that you can endorse. Platforms like Impact.com and ClickBank.com offer numerous lucrative affiliate opportunities. Once you have your affiliate links, the next step is to create content across social media platforms to exhibit and promote your links. While there are various promotion avenues such as email lists, blogs, or running ads, starting with social media is recommended for beginners. On a scale from 1 to 7, I'd rank affiliate marketing as the top side hustle. It's beginner-friendly, requires no startup costs, and offers limitless scalability, allowing individuals to potentially earn $10,000, $20,000, or even $30,000 per month and beyond. The potential for earnings is virtually boundless. Side hustle number 6. Moving forward, let's discuss the subsequent side hustle, which involves venturing into content creation or becoming an influencer. It's no secret that content creators are now earning substantial incomes, often surpassing those of medical professionals. The creator economy is booming, presenting an unparalleled opportunity to dive into content creation. All it takes is selecting a topic or niche that interests you and commencing to post content related to that niche. Don't overthink the content creation process. Simply begin, and you'll refine your approach as you progress. As a content creator, income avenues include brand collaborations, affiliate marketing, selling your products, YouTube ad revenue, and numerous other streams. This abundance of opportunities allows for diverse revenue generation possibilities. On a scale from 1 to 7, I'd rank this side hustle as second. It represents an immense opportunity in the current landscape, and seizing it could lead to significant gains. However, it's essential to recognize that this window of opportunity may not last indefinitely, making it crucial to consider exploring it sooner rather than later. Side hustle number 7. Let's now delve into this side hustle, which involves video editing. Skilled video editors are in high demand, with virtually every content creator seeking their services. As a video editor, all you need is Wi-Fi, a laptop, and editing software like Premiere Pro. You can learn video editing techniques through numerous free tutorials available on platforms like YouTube. To transform video editing into a full-time income source, consider partnering with multiple content creators. By editing their short and long-form videos, you can progressively increase your rates as your skills improve. Researching the rates charged by video editors on platforms like Fiverr can help you determine your pricing strategy. When reaching out to content creators, offering a free sample edit can help establish trust and potentially secure long-term collaborations. While video editing is a valuable side hustle, it ranks 7th on the scale from 1 to 7 due to its limited scalability. However, scaling up is possible by establishing a video editing agency and hiring editors under your supervision, although this should be pursued after establishing proficiency as an editor yourself. If you loved this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.